So in the big news of this week, obviously Rocky Mountain, ATV, KTM, WPS, whatever, has now rescinded their sponsorship from the Butler Brothers MX, and in response to that, Forrest Butler, one of the owners of Butler Brothers MX LLC, had a statement to put out, and we're going to go over that, read it, and go through it. And so let's just get right into it. Quote, this is all his statement. Hello to all, this is Forrest Butler, owner of Butler Brothers MX LLC, in short, the BBMX race team. I refer to the team as BBMX at this time, as the message is in respects to all of the great sponsors, riders, staff, friends, and most importantly to me personally, the fans. 2022 marks the 19th year since BBMX was truly named and registered as the business Butler Brothers MX LLC. Over these 19 years, we have held a number of different sponsors, title names, and without all of them, we would not be here today. Without all of our current sponsors, we wouldn't be still going wide open. So yes, to all that have ever been a part of, and to all that are still a part of, thank you. This message is in regards to the absolutely fake and false allegations made by Chris Cooksey and his Cooksey Media in referring to the team as BBMX. Here are the facts against what Cooksey says in his self-made interview. No, BBMX is not going out of business, folding, or anything of the sort. Yes, BBMX will 100% be in St. Louis. In fact, the semi and summer staffs are already there. Well, okay, that's cool. Yes, BBMX is fully in for the remainder of the Monterey Supercross Series. Yes, BBMX is fully in for the entire Lucas Oil Pro Motocross Nationals. Continuing to say, yes, we have had a change with the BBMX sponsor-wise, and we are no longer affiliated with Rocky Mountain ATV/MC. We do have a new title sponsor in line, and we will be announcing them in near time. Nonetheless, and again, as spoken above, BBMX is still 100% in business. As per our riders, both Shane McRath and Maxim will be returning this weekend in St. Louis back from injuries. Joey Savacci is, we're going to skip that. He's out with a broken torn ACL. We're going to skip that. I can say and speak to all this now that I have absolutely no idea what or why Chris Cooksey. We're going to skip that one too. That's just whatever. That's drama. The worst, and I speak from this absolutely deepest and truest part of my heart, is the insult and slap in the face is to all of our team sponsors, staff, and riders. We have the best sponsors, the best. Our current riders and staff have had a heck of the off season and certainly have experienced the highs and lows of the first 2/3 of the Supercross season. Posts like this are poison, and I would like to be able to say directly to all I opened to with this message. I will not engage with any negative posts like Cooksey's out of all due respect to every single one of BBMX's amazing sponsors, staff, and riders. They are the heart and soul of everything to me, and they deserve nothing but the best. As the owner of BBMX, I have seen the darkest days and the brightest, and just as it seems in life, it always seems to be darkest before the dawn. Thank you to everyone. Thank you. So going through this, you have to say, nobody loses a title sponsor in the middle of the season without something big happening. So to say this is a false accusation or fake, well, obviously he's saying it to himself. He's saying it in his own thing. They have a new title sponsor in line, which means something did happen with Rocky Mountain KTM or Rocky Mountain ATV. I don't know. KTM, I'm assuming they're still running. But obviously there's some drama to this, and Cooksey and the Butler brothers have had some goings back and forth before. But, it does not look good as a team if you have, the years prior with apparently payment issues with Blake Baggett, and now this with some problem with the contract going up with, Rocky Mountain. It doesn't look good as a team. So, whatever. Tell me in the comments below, what do you think actually happened? Something serious, something whatever they were planning on changing, but personally I don't think they were planning on changing. I think they just had to find someone. And whatever it is, tell me in the comments below, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.